Here we have section 5.2, problem number 5. We have a data set and we need to find out what the standard deviation is. So to do this, we use our chart method. So we start with first our values, our x values here. So we would just copy these down. 20, 19, 19, 13, 14, 10, and 15. And we need to find the mean of these values. So we add up all of these values and we divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to find the mean, we're going to do this over here on the side. We add up all these values. So we have 20 plus 19 plus 19 plus 13 plus 14 plus 10 plus 15. I did not do that correctly. 20 plus 19 plus 19 plus 13 plus 14 plus 10 plus 15. So that's 110. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values. So this means that our mu is going to be 15.71. So that's what goes in this next column here. Is our mu, 15.71 for every row. So that gives us our first row. Our next row is going to be x minus mu. So we subtract this row from that row. So we get 20 minus 15.71 is 4.29. We then do it for 19. 19 minus 15, 19 minus 15.71 is 3.29. This is 19 again, we get the same, 3.29. For 13, we're going to end up with a negative value. We end up with minus 2.71. 14 minus 15.71 is minus 1.71. For 10, we have 10 minus 15.71. That's minus 5.71. And 15, we have 15 minus 15.71, which is minus 0.71. So this column is just the value we had minus the mean. And that gives us these values. We then need to square each one of these values. So we put 4.29 in our calculator, we hit the square button, we get 18.40. So we do this for all of these values. 3.29 squared is 10.82. Obviously we get the same thing. Minus 2.71. We get 7.34. Notice that when we square the negative value, we get a positive value. For negative 1.71, we get 2.92. For 5.71, we get 32.60. For 0.71, we get 0.50. So that is each one of these values squared. We then add up all of these values to get a total in this column. So we put 18.40 plus 10.82 plus 10.82 plus 7.34 plus 2.92 plus 32.60 plus 0.50, and we get 83.40. That's the total. Now to find the next step here, we take this total, 83.40, and we divide that by how many values we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We could have just looked here. We have 7 values. So 83.4 divided by 7 gives us 11.91. This is the step right before our standard deviation. Our last step here is to take the square root of 11.91. Take the square root of that and we get 3.45. So this number here is our standard deviation for this set, 3.45.